Hello everyone. Today, we're going to draw a frog laying on a lily pad. First we use a pencil to draw the big shapes. Draw an upside down drop shape for the body. The legs make an angle. The 2 feet are drop shapes too. With 2 more lines we add thickness to the legs. Draw 2 circles for the eyes. Draw a rounded angle and a sharp angle for each arm folded under his head. Add 2 small circles for the pupils. Draw an angle to show the dip in the lily leaf. Draw a big circle all around the frog to make the rest of the leaf. 2 curved lines on the sides of the leaf make some water ripples. And our pencil sketch is finished. Good job! Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Make one shape of the body, the legs, and the feet. You can round off the corners to make it more cute. Trace the arms. Draw the eyes and mouth. Trace the lily pad. And finish by making the water ripples. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and then you can erase the pencil lines. Alright, our drawing is finished. Now you can color your drawing. You can use markers, crayons, watercolors, whatever you like. And we are all finished. Congratulations! Awesome job! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.